So there was a sister by the name of Sonya Massey. She's 36 years old. She called the police because she felt someone was trying to break inside her residence, and that's what they tell you you're supposed to do. But when she called the Sangamon County Sheriff's Department, you had something happen to her that just was so unthinkable. Now, of course, we will show the body cam footage, but we will make sure to cut out, the tragedy that happened to our sister, because I'm really on the fence about even reporting on these kind of stories. A lot of times these kind of stories, just put people in a bad headspace. But we have to do our job here, so let's go ahead and roll that.
Yeah, you have an ID. That'd make things so much easier. I just need just driver's license will do, and then I'll get out of your hair.
I want to show y'all my paperwork.
I will get your paperwork.
What paperwork?
Okay. I got some paperwork.
Well, just get your ID real quick.
Well, let's get your ID first, and then...
One task at a time here.
Okay. Let me
here, grab your ID for me.
Hold on. Okay.
Your ID. One task at a time. So let's do an ID, and then you can dig around for your paperwork.
I don't know where my ID is.
You have that stack right there, maybe?
Okay. 1 second.
Just check on her.
Let me get this.
No, we don't need a fire while we're here.
Right. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Where you going?
Huh?
Where you going?
Away from your hot steaming water.
Away from my hot steaming water?
Yeah.
Oh, I would rebuke you in the name of Jesus.
Huh?
Rebuke you in the name of
You better fucking not. I swear to God, I'll shoot you right in your face.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Drop the fucking pot! Drop the fucking pot!
19 shots fired.
Shots fired! Shots fired! Drop the pot! Bring EMS now. We got a headshot wound to the female. Headshot wound to the female. 1078.
I was on. I'm gonna go get my kit.
No, your headshot, dude. You're actually done. You can go get it, but that's a headshot. God damn it.
God.
Now, that race soldier was named Sean Grayson. That was his name. He's been charged with first-degree murder, official misconduct, and also aggravated battery as well. And he pleaded not guilty, ladies and gentlemen, not guilty, even though we got him on camera shooting this sister, taking her out like she's some sort of wild animal somewhere, shooting her to death. He said he's not guilty. Now, of course, the prosecutors say that he's going to go after this guy, and the family lost their loved one tragically. But this is still going on in this country of gunning down black people. And it's always the same cast of characters. But when it's time for y'all to pull out y'all guns and start going after criminals, you never do it. When they have these school shooters, you're hiding. They've done it in Parkland. They did it at the Uvalde shooting. Every time it's time to actually start shooting some real criminals, you're scared. You don't do it whatsoever. At the Trump thing, a cop went up there with the dude. Dude turned gun at him. He didn't do nothing. You understand what I'm saying? They purposely do this mess to black people. This woman called y'all for help. And y'all end up doing something that even the potential criminal that she was calling about didn't even do, was take her life. You say she got water. What that water gonna do to you? Way over there. She can't throw that water at you, and even if she wanted to. Why would she? That's stupid. But all of this, coming all at the, and good and well, the Democrats are gonna use this. And Kamala, Biden already jumped on this. Kamala's about to jump on it. And they about to ride this case, just like they rolled George Floyd. They gonna ride this case, boy. So it's good he got arrested, because if not, they was gonna ride it. But that's why a lot of black people don't want to call the police in this country. It's for that reason right there. That one. Because you call police for help and you could lose your life. But that dude, if you watch the video, he already was being a certified butthole the whole time to that sister. So we knew something was going to go left with him, because he was an anti-black racist. And then look at them tattoos that dude had on. That's them type of tattoos that them white supremacists be wearing. Because I'm sorry, I don't think the cops should be having a bunch of tattoos on them, but they tell on themselves with them tattoos that they lined up with white supremacist groups. But, you know, y'all stay safe out there, definitely. This is Illinois, of course. Governor J.B. Pritzker, of course, spoke out on it and sent his condolences. But, yeah, we still got these issues and problems. Trust me on that. And we still got work to do in America.